Hello and welcome. My name is Olugbemi. I'm a Forex trader and coach and founder of the MoneySellers Africa Forex Academy. Today we are going to be talking about how to buy high and sell higher in Forex trading. I know this is going to sound a little bit strange, especially to new traders in the market, because what many of us hear, what is the common saying in the market is buy low and sell high, buy low, sell high. And so many of us use the risk particular indicators that people use to know when the market is on oversold and when it is on overbought. And so you make your decisions based on that. And you're going to notice, however, that there are many times that you've sold when the market looks like it's too high or it's on overbought already. But rather than the price dropping for you to be in profit, you are in loss because the market begins to rise. The price begins to rise instead. And you're wondering what is happening. Is there something you're doing wrong? Is it that the market is against you? Today I'm going to show you what you can do to tackle that, how you can trade even when the market is high. You can buy when the market is high and sell higher rather than buying when the market is low, looking for only low areas in the market for you to be able to do a buy, or looking for just high for you to be able to do a sell. So let's go straight into the charts and see what I am talking about. We're going to be looking at gold. We're going to be looking at gold. And if you look at this chart, let's use this area as an example. So let's say we are looking at this area of the chart. You're in the market and the chart is just here like this. You will look at this place as your resistance. For the sake of people who are new to Forex trading, let me make it a little bit easy for you. Basically, this is a chart, and what we do here is we come to look at the behavioral pattern of traders in the market. This chart identifies the pattern, the behavioral pattern of different traders in the market. What the buyers are doing, what the sellers are doing, are all here on this chart. And looking at this chart and analyzing it can help you to make trade decision whether to do a buy or to do a sell, because it's going to tell you where the buyers are and where the sellers are in the market. Now, many of us make that mistake of focusing on looking for a low to buy and looking for a high to sell. But the problem is that we do not understand something, that the market keeps pushing up when the currency is high, or when it's strong, when it has more strength. It keeps pushing up. It doesn't wait because, oh, this is a resistance, this is the highest point around here, and because of that, it's not going to break this area, because this area has been strong. It's been tested like 3 times around here, and then again it's been tested here, and you feel, oh, this area is too strong, and it's obviously not going to break it. It's going to sell. Once it hits this area, I'm going to sell. And so you're waiting here to do a sell, and you're waiting here to do a buy. Now, RSI is not going to tell you that this trend, this overbought, is going to continue. RSI is not going to tell you that. A lot of people focus on that indicator, RSI indicator, to make decision only in the market. And so once they see this, oh, RSI is showing 70, 75, that shows it's on overbought, I want to sell. Oh, RSI is showing 25, it's showing 30, that shows it's on oversold, and so I want to buy. Now, I want you to understand that nothing can hold the market from breaking any of this zone at any time it wants. So rather than you focusing on just that one belief you have in the market, you want to come and analyze the chart yourself and know what is to be done at what point or the other. And an easy way for you to do that is using pending order, because the truth is that you do not have the time, especially maybe you're trading as a part-time, you have a day job you're doing, you have other things you're doing, you have businesses you're doing. You can't sit on the chart the whole day. So what can you do? You can set pending order. Let the system work for you. Let the computer do the work for you when you are not there. You set pending order. You say, if it breaks above here, that means it's going to buy, and I'm going to buy. If it breaks below here, that means it's going to sell, and I'm going to sell. because the truth is you can actually break these zones and move on. And this is an example. If you look at this area, look at how it got here and then it comes down a little bit, looking like, oh, this is actually going to sell. And a lot of people will begin to jump in around this area. But look at what it does. It turns back, gets to this place, does a little bit of retracement, and then broke out of this area and begin to fire up. So you're going to see that many times this happen. If we check many other pairs now, you will see this happen a lot of time. So you do not have to just focus on selling high. You can actually buy high. It is already high here. You buy it up here and sell higher. Guess what? Higher. It's keep going higher. And look at it. So now let's just measure what happened, how many days this movement took, and how many pips you would have gotten if you had bought rather than selling. People who sold around that place would have been in loss, unless they are short-term traders who will just quickly make short profit and get out. So look at this. This took 67 days, and that is 2,115 pips. 2,115 pips in 67 days. That is going account. Depending on your risk management, it's going to double your account in 67 days. If you are trading just between here, you've traded between here and here, just one currency pair, you leave it and allow it to run for this 67 days. Guess what? You've made over 2,000 pips trading this gold USD. So it is important for you to understand that you can actually buy high and sell higher. So you sell at this point, you take off your profits at this point. That means you've sold what you bought at this point, and you've made this much profit. The price has moved from this area where it was 1346, it has moved to 1546. So you've made 2,000 pips profit for yourself in the market. I hope that sinks, and I hope you got value from this. I'm going to come up again, and I'll be talking about Elliott waves, because that helps you to know when there's going to be continuation or when a particular trend has ended. Thank you, and do have a beautiful day. If you have not taken up a pre-order of our book, don't forget to do that. Our book is out, the MoneySeller's Code book. This is going to be the best book you ever read on Forex trading. It's a book that is going to teach you everything from the very basic to intermediate to advanced level of Forex trading. An interesting thing is that if you buy on pre-order, if you pre-order this book, you are going to have access to free courses worth over 360,000 naira, over $1,000. Free courses plus ebooks plus free lifetime access to Traders Library, where you can download any book of your choice. So you're going to get all of that for ordering our book, The MoneySeller's Code. How to uncover the secret to consistent profitable Forex trading, even if you are a newbie. So I'll be awaiting you to order your own copy. And if you want to join our Forexversity, it is also open for you to join. Our live session starts today. Thank you, and do have a beautiful day.